doesn't get any better than this, Bubba J. Hanging out with my best friend. Having an A&W root beer. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Cooking with Chef Bubba J. Today, he is on location at Spalding Mill Pond in Josephine County, located in southern Oregon. Without any further ado, let me introduce Chef Bubba J.
Welcome back to my Bubba J's cooking show. Today I'm cooking pasta, sausage, and Spanish.
Wow, that really sounds delicious. And what a beautiful location, Chef, to be cooking today. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
So we came way up there. This is our Toyota 4Runner. And we got back here to Spalding Mill Pond.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hey, Chef, what ingredients do we have today for your meal?
Here's pasta.
Okay, so you got a little bit of pasta, bow tie pasta, they call that.
Yeah. Sausage.
We got half a pound of sausage.
Yep. Spanish.
Oh, lots of spinach.
Oil. And tomato sauce.
Excellent.
And the cheese on for to later.
Excellent. So what's the first thing you're going to do, Chef?
I'm going to start with the sausage first.
Going to cook it up in your pot?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to put the bit of oil in here. Just a little tiny bit. Actually, that's good. We're going to wait for a little bit. We're going to put the sausage in.
Oh, you're letting your oil heat up?
Yeah.
Excellent.
We're waiting on that, and I'll put the sausage in. I use the spatula to cut this down. Use the spatula and stir it up. Oh, I gotta hold on to this. Burn my hand. You want to come in and help me?
I think you're doing an awesome job, Chef. I don't think you need any help.
So we're going to put the pasta in.
Is your sausage cooked?
Yes, it's all cooked.
Oh, looking good. Okay. All right, Chef.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and put this in.
Stir it up.
And stir it up.
Excellent. Okay, what's the next thing you're going to do now, Chef?
Water.
How much water are you going to put in there?
Just a little bit.
A little bit of water? Okay.
Yeah.
And you're going to pour it in just to where it covers the noodles.
Yeah.
All right.
And here comes the water. What?
Okay, Chef, what you're doing is you're pouring in enough water to cover the noodles, and that's probably good.
Yeah.
Now, as your pasta cooks, if you need more water, are you going to put a little more water in case you need some more?
Probably.
Yeah, probably. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this to a boil. There you go, Chef. I'll have you stir that. Stir it around. Okay. Put your lid on.
Okay.
And you're going to simmer it for 15 minutes.
Yeah. We'll come back in, put more water in.
Excellent. While Chef Bubba J takes a break, letting his pasta simmer, let me tell you a little bit about Spalding Mill Pond. It's a small pond up off of, I think it's Briggs Valley Road. There's a campground. Doesn't have many sites. It's a first come, first serve. 3 or 4 sites here. Tells a little bit about the lake. 36. This lake pond, is what we should say. It's named after William Spalding. It's about 10 miles off of Highway 199, the Redwood Highway. Oh, it's Briggs Creek, not Briggs Valley. This is the beautiful pond.
Check the pasta and sausage in there.
Let's see what it looks like. Let's see how it came out. Oh, would you look at that, Chef? That looks good. All right, what's the next thing you're going to add to your lunch here, Chef?
Yes.
What is that?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Okay.
We're gonna put some more in it. I'm done stirring the sauce. I can put the spinach in it.
Spinach. Woo, Chef. This is just starting to look like it is going to be delicious.
Oh, we got one stuck in here.
That's good.
It's still stuck.
That's good, Josh. Put it.
Got it.
Got it.
Look it up, man.
All right, Chef, I think once you get that spinach stirred in, I think it's time to eat.
Yeah. How's that? It is time to eat.
Chef, I'm hungry.
I know you are.
Nope. That's good. Now my plate. Chef. What are you putting on now?
Cheese.
You want to put some cheese on it?
Yeah.
All right. Parmesan. It's a mixed cheese. You got some others in there too.
Mm-hmm. Is that good for you?
Yeah. All right, Chef.
I guess I'll grab all of it, right?
Bubba J, I'm very proud of you. That was a really good recipe that you cooked up out here at Spalding Mill Pond. And we're going to eat a delicious... Shoot, that's almost dinner.
No, it's not.
Chef, this is absolutely delicious looking. Cheers to you, buddy. Let's try it. Wow. Got a little bit of the spinach.
Mm-hmm.
This is delicious.
It is.
Oh boy. This is exactly what the doctor ordered today.
Mm-hmm.
I can't ride motorcycles for the summer because of my surgery I had up my shoulder. But we could sure get out here to this beautiful pond and have Chef Bubba J cook us up a delicious, delicious lunch. For me, it's probably going to be dinner.
No, it's not.
So, if you guys want his recipe, we got to give credit where credit is due. We saw this on, I believe her channel on YouTube is Amanda Outdoors. I will confirm that in the description. But we're going to put this recipe. Thank you, Amanda, for posting it on your channel. And Bubba J
that's right.
wanted to cook it. So it's delicious. So until next time, from Raptor Pack Adventures, travel more, stress less, and never forget, it's just an extra chromosome.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace out.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye. We're gonna eat now. Man, this is delicious. It's a perfect amount. Got some spinach in there. Oh, yeah, some spinach.
I picked this out.